Hello everyone, welcome to MITECKEE. In this video we're gonna learn how to trim and split a clip inside movavi, and when it comes to video editing this is one of the most important things, because with trimming and splitting a clip you can almost create your own movie. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are inside movavi. As you can see, I have imported these two clips for you. So first let's drag this clip and put it in the timeline. Now I want this clip to start from something here, okay, but to do that I have to trim this clip. To trim the clip I will just hover my mouse to the very end or the start, and as you can see the mouse icon is changing from this to this. Now depending on from where you want to trim the clip, you will have to drag the mouse, okay. So hold your right mouse button and drag it from the left to right. Let's see, let's trim it a bit more. You can do the same for the very end, but for the end you have to drag it from right to left, something like this. So I want to put a clip right here. So to do that I have to split the clip. To split the clip, click on this icon, the scissor icon here. Just put your cursor, this red marker, and then click this. It will be split into two. Now drag your clip and put it right here. Now let me just trim it, something like this. Nice. As you can see, we learned how to trim and split a clip inside movavi. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Share this video with your friends and families, and thanks for watching.